Okay guys, so you're going to part as neatly as you can, which I do find really, really difficult. We're going to part the front section here, coming into a point at the crown, okay? So like a little triangular section. So I'll start on this side. I'm going to keep that hair out of my way. And then we've got to do exactly the same on the other side. So just trying to make sure that it's completely symmetrical. So I'm just going to place this hair out of the way for the moment, and then I'm going to place the rest of the hair into a ponytail for now. So next I'm just using a little bit of wax spray just to tame any flyaways. Isla is a pro, so she already knows to cover her face. Now with this top bit here, you can do whatever braid comes easiest to you. I'm going to go for a real sort of tight Dutch braid, but that is up to you. And a slice of hair from the front. You could definitely start with more hair if you wanted to. It's completely up to you. And we're going to break this little piece into 3. And the way a Dutch braid works is just you've got your central base and you're just going to take the outside sections underneath whilst adding hair. So it's going to go under the middle, that's the new middle, under the middle, that's the new middle, under the middle, and now we're going to add in hair. So that one's going underneath the middle, but I'm also adding hair to that one. So a little slice of hair goes in, and again under the middle, little slice of hair goes in the middle. I have got a full tutorial on the Dutch braid if you'd like to learn that style. It's one of my favourites. It's one of my daughter Bailey's favourites as well. Whenever she's doing gymnastics. I'm just going to keep this going all the way until we run out of hair. So just a slightly other angle for you now so you can really see what I mean about where we're braiding to. So I'm braiding all the way to the centre of the crown. So next what we're going to do is just take out this bottom ponytail, and we're going to work on these side sections. So I almost want you to think that's a triangle, and we're also going to make another little side triangle, but this is going to be just really, really, really smoothed out hair. So you're going to want some gel, wax spray, even water would do it. So basically we want this bit to be like really kind of like whoosh, back like that. So I'm just going to take a section just by Isla's ear and just bring it straight up to the centre there, like so. Again, we're going to use a little bit of wax spray, and this time I've chosen a like a smoothing brush, and we're just going to just take our time and just really create a little bit of tension. It's almost like the brush is on an angle, so rather than doing that, I almost kind of come at it so it kind of catches on the brush, and then you use that tension to really sweep it across. Just smoothing all that out until you're really happy with it. Use a little bit of hairspray if you need to at this point. So I'm just going to attach this piece of hair to that central braid. So this bit is optional, you could just put a bow or something there, but I'm going to wrap this little elastic that you can see here by taking a small strand of hair, and we're going to wrap it around like so, and then I'm going to bring it all the way around to the back and hold it there around the back, and then taking another small elastic, I'm going to just place that right under this edge here, so it goes under that edge, pinch that little tail, turn it around like that, and then if I just tighten that ever so slightly, that's all now nice and covered. So guys, you could absolutely just leave this style as it is, but I just want to make it a little bit more interesting again. So what we're going to do is literally just divide the pony and divide this hair into 2. Little bit of wax spray again guys, just to make sure it stays all flyaway free. If we just clip one side out of the way, under the middle and just add a slice in, under the middle, add a slice in, and we'll keep doing this all the way to the bottom, and you'll see just how pretty this style looks at the end. So just to finish off the style, we've gone for these little bow elastics. So I'm just going to make sure that that bow is sitting forward there. So that is the style done. Look, I love how smooth this is, and then you've got the braids coming down. I think it just gives it another little edge to the style. You could join these up at the back if you wanted to, do another braid. We've gone for piggies today. Super cute. And there we have it, all finished. And we'll see you again very soon for another tutorial.